Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning low power mode on and off on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Turning on low power mode on your watch can save battery, but it's important to note that when low power mode is on, a few features of the watch will be disabled. The features that will be turned off are background heart rate measurements, heart rate notifications, irregular rhythm notifications, blood oxygen measurements, as well as gestures such as double tap. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu, then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down to and tap on battery. Scroll down to low power mode and tap the toggle to the right of it to turn low power mode on or off. When you turn low power mode on, you need to scroll down the information and then tap turn on. You can also quickly turn low power mode on and off from the control panel. To do this, tap the side button to open the control panel. Then tap the battery percentage on the left. Tap low power mode. Then tap turn on. If you tap turn on for, you can choose to turn low power mode on for 1, 2, or 3 days. Whereas turn on will leave low power mode on until you turn it off. You can see that low power mode is turned on from the home screen by the orange circle at the top. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.